Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best chile colorado. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, to our pressure cooker we're going to add 3 pounds of beef chuck roast, or you can use pork shoulder. Along with that, 4 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, 1 whole onion, 1 head of garlic, 8 bay leaves, and 5 cups of water. We're going to pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Alrighty guys, and after 1 hour, our meat should be fully done. Now carefully release the steam, open the pot, and the meat should be nice and tender. We're just going to remove it. And you also want to remove the onion and the garlic and bay leaves. And now to the broth, we're going to add our 10 New Mexico Guajillo chile pods. And just make sure you clean them, remove the seeds, and rinse them. Just let them soak there for about 5 minutes, and meanwhile we can shred our meat. Alright, so after 5 minutes our chiles should have softened, so now we're just going to transfer them to our blender cup. And along with that, 3 cups of the broth. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our chile colorado. Okay, to our blender we're also going to add 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now just blend until smooth. Okay, and once done, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, now here we're going to set our pan over medium heat. And to that, add 2 tablespoons of oil and just allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, add 2 tablespoons of flour, and this is just going to thicken up our chile colorado. Now just mix it and allow it to cook for a minute. Okay, after the minute, this is what our flour should look like. And now here we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is my favorite one. And of course, if you want to skip this step, you can do so. I just want my chile colorado to be a little spicy. So now just mix it. Don't burn it. And as soon as you mix it, now add your salt. To my blender cup, I'm also going to add a little bit more of the broth. Add it in. So now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, and as soon as our chile colorado comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Now get ready to add your meat. Mix it. Now here we're going to add 2 bay leaves. Reduce the heat to low setting and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, our delicious chile colorado is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. It's honestly the best chile colorado. And of course, you can always serve it with a side of rice and beans. Serve it in burritos, in tacos, or just however. Let me tell you that I am so ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make an authentic shredded beef chile colorado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.